I, Srimati
I, Srimati Dolilia, having been elected a member of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Kasama.
And Serial 26 is Sanjeev Lian, 26 with Chandra Nagar, Orosi Constitution. Next serial number is 27, Sri Devaji Tripura, 27 Purbo Mohipur, Buratoli.